Yo, what's good, everybody? HOTKICK here, man. I'm gonna be reviewing this shoe I got from my website right here, the Travis Scott's, bro. I'm gonna be reviewing these, and then we're gonna have another video, a follow-up video. It's gonna be how they look on my feet, actually. Right now I have my Union 4s from HOTKICK on my feet. They feel very comfortable, bro. As you can see, I had the Travis Scott's up right here, but I took it down for this video. So basically, bro, let's get straight into this. Put my camera down. Alright, bro, you see the box right here. You see the box right here. So it comes in the Nike SB box, the Travis Scott box. So you open it up. It comes with the replicator, all that. And these are the shoes, man. Does come with a stock X thing. I personally keep mine on there. Just if you guys keep it on. But y'all see the quality close up. See the back of it. Everything looks good. Everything looks good. Shoelaces are these special shoelaces, the one that look like rope. They are a little creased because I wore them a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. Inside looks good. All of that. All of that. So this is the left shoe. This is the right shoe. See the laces. Cactus jacket looks good right here. Inside looks good. The banana. It also comes with two laces, man. You see these plain black laces. I believe these came with the shoes. I'm not sure, to be honest. These plain black laces, which I might switch. Nah, I kind of like the Travis Scott's with just the regular broke laces. And then these black laces right here. And these like pinkish ones. So I'm going to give you one more little thing. You guys see the color and everything is good. They actually feel very comfortable. I wore them a few times. That's why they are a little creased. This is the left one. You see the verified looks good. And the barcode in the back takes you to the website. It doesn't take you to a shoe, but it takes you to the website, so good enough. Give you a little close up. See all the detail. Dang. Alright, man, well, that's really it for this unboxing. My next video is going to be showing you guys actually on my feet, bro. So, hope y'all did enjoy, man, and peace out.